Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked, and today we're going to be doing another look at Lil Uzi's dreadlocks. So someone actually DM'd me a picture of Lil Uzi on Instagram, and it was actually a throwback of his hair. He actually had plaits, and the color of them was kind of light pink, also with like a blondish color. He actually had these before he got dreadlocks, which he could have even started his dreads out that way. But by the looks of things now, he does maintain his hair with twisting, but you guys already seen the breakdown of everything on his hair. If you guys want to check that out, it's the first video I posted about Lil Uzi Vert, so you can check that out. I'll put a link to that in the description. But now I've seen that his hair is super long. He's letting his hair grow out, and I know he used to maintain the length of his hair by cutting it, and he would keep his hair about 5 to 6 inches, but now his hair is longer. I thought he put in extensions, but what would be the point if he can just grow them out? So no, he does not have fake dreadlocks. I feel like I've just been the fake dreadlock police lately, and honestly I'm just making these videos for entertainment. But he dyed his hair green. He's letting his hair grow out. This is really cool. Lil Uzi has a crazy style to him, appeals to a lot of people. He's definitely an oddball, but he definitely does put himself out there in like a different way than anybody else, that's for sure. So let's do a quick breakdown on Lil Uzi's hair. His hair type is probably a 4B or a 4C maybe, but the cool thing about when he twists his hair, the tips of his locks are curly, so that can tell me that he may have a 4A or a 4B, not 4C. But if you look at his roots, it kind of tells you otherwise, and the thing is that the tips of your dreadlocks is mostly dead hair, so it can just have a mind of its own at that point. But the cool thing about his hair right now is the transition of going into green dreadlocks, which he's had green hair before, but not this saturated, along with allowing his hair to grow. And honestly, there's not many people out there who let their hair grow and dye them at the same time. You see Lil Pump, he had his hair dyed, and he's dyed it multiple times. Now he started to maintain the length, and Lil Uzi for the longest time maintained his length. Ski Mask maintains his length. A whole bunch of people maintain their length by cutting it. So I think with Lil Uzi actually growing his hair out longer, he's gonna inspire some more people, and they're gonna grow their hair out and then keep dyeing it. So how does he maintain them? I went over this in the main video. He just twists them with gel. Someone told me the other day that African American or black people don't have to twist their hair with gel. I mean, I don't know why they said that. Everybody, if you twist your hair, if you don't twist it with gel, it doesn't stay that well. I mean, you can twist it just with water, but you can't twist your hair dry. It's not gonna stay. And you don't have to twist it with gel, but majority of people twist their hair. When they do it, they twist it with gel. But I just wanted to touch base on Lil Uzi Vert. His hair is actually turning out really cool, and it's actually cool to see someone get length with their dreadlocks without maintaining it by cutting them. But other than that, comment down who you guys want to see next. I'm thinking about doing Bam Savage. Let me know. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.